Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says for any 3 cross 3 matrix M, let mod M denotes determinant of M. That this we know. Okay. Let I be 3 cross 3 identity matrix. This also we know. And let E and F be two 3 cross 3 matrices such that this is invertible. Okay, now be super slow. You know that these guys are saying, these guys are claiming that this matrix is invertible. This means what? You can say that, sir, its determinant is not 0. E F. Okay, so this means this determinant is not equal to 0. Great. Now G is equal to this. Okay, look at this. This thing and this thing is same. Okay, so both G and this are invertible, means inverse of each other. Okay, so can I say that, sir, A times A inverse is equal to I? This we know. And also in inverse you can also go with this also. A inverse into A will also become I. Okay, so although you know that AB is equal to BA is not possible for all the condition. It is only possible if they are commute. But if they are inverse of each other, this is true. Okay, so for time being we will use this idea. So look at this. Now they have given some situations, you have to judge them. So okay, so can I say that this and G are the inverse of each other? So can I write I times EF, then G is equal to I minus EF G. I am using this idea. Okay, so what will happen? This will become G minus, and you know these are the matrix, so it will follow the order is the most important part in this question. Okay, so be very careful about it. So G E F is equal to G minus, here also order is important, F, sorry, E F and G. Now you guys can eliminate G and G, you guys can eliminate minus and minus. So GEF is equal to EFG. GEF, option C. This means option C is correct. Okay, GEF is on the right hand side, EFG is on the left hand side. This means option C is correct. Correct. Now one by one we will check all the options. So look at the option number 1. So we have to multiply this. Okay, now look at this. Can I write, I will try to multiply these two matrices. Then if two matrices are equal, then their determinant will also be equal. So we will judge this matrix first. So I minus FE, so it is A I minus FE, and then FGE, FGE. You know that it will follow the order. So F G E minus F E F G E. Okay, now you know that it looks ugly. Okay, but look at this. Look at this. Wait. F E F G E F G. Yes, now look at this. You know that these two things are inverse of each other, means this is equal and this is equal to identity matrix. Correct. So look at this, just be very careful how I will use this first equation again. Just look at this. Can I write G minus G E F is equal to identity matrix and G is equal, sorry, G minus E, F and G. We want E, F, G, and look at this. Here is E, F, G. So can I send this thing this side and this I this side? I will play with this equation, okay? So we will be writing E, F, G is equal to G minus I. Why I am getting this idea? Because this is this is 5 5 matrix. I don't know anyone. So what I did, F E F I don't know. I know G E F and I know E F G. So what I did, I have observed this thing. That's why I have concluded there. So I will replace E F G with G minus I. So F G E minus F G I E. Now F G E minus F G E minus F minus minus plus F E. So this thing gone, and look at this. This is F E. So RHS is coming out to be F E. So you got both matrix to be same. So this will be equal. Means option A is also correct. Okay. Now I will play with option number 2 and option number 3. Both are almost the same. The change is change in sign. Okay. So be very careful how we will solve this problem. Now jump on to the option number B. So the idea is 1 minus Fe B. 1 minus Fe multiplied with 1 plus Fge. 1 plus Fge. No need to think about anything, just multiply. Okay. Or else, wait, Fge. Look at this. Fge, this and this. So if you multiply Fge, you know Fe will come. Okay. So first multiply with 1. So if you multiply with 1, it is not 1. It is 1 or identity. This is identity. Okay. Be careful. This is identity. So 1 with identity is identity. Identity with Fe is Fe, and then this times this is plus of Fe. So this thing gone, we are left with identity. Okay, and it is also identity. So option number B is correct. Okay. Now option number C. So C says what? I minus Fe and then I minus Fge. Yes. Both are minus in this case. Now again you know that if I'll multiply this with this, we will get Fe. Okay. So look at this. I is I minus of Fe, and then this is minus. So minus of Fe will come. Okay. So it is I minus 2 times Fe, and we don't know what is this. Correct. But they are saying what? It will come out to be I, which is not possible. At least till now, with the given information, it is not possible. So the correct options are A, B and C. I hope you guys are enjoying. You guys are learning a lot. So keep learning. See you guys in the next session of MathFlix.